In law and justice, artificial intelligence is no longer a distant rumor. It is already reshaping how legal work is found, read, drafted, priced, and delivered. For lawyers, judges, clerks, police, and law students across Africa, the question is not whether AI will enter the courtroom and chambers, but whether we will guide it wisely. Used well, AI can widen access to justice, reduce backlogs, and raise professional standards. Used carelessly, it can entrench bias, erode confidentiality, and mislead decision-makers with confident nonsense. The wise response is neither hype nor fear, but disciplined adoption, guided by strong professional ethics and transparent governance. The most visible change is in research. Instead of hunting through volumes and paywalled databases for days, an AI-assisted research tool can parse millions of cases, statutes, and secondary sources, suggest relevant authorities, and generate a first pass at argument structure. This accelerates thinking without replacing the lawyer's judgment. The skilled advocate treats the output as scaffolding. Verify every citation, check the jurisdiction, confirm currency, and refine the ratio into a persuasive narrative. Those who copy blindly will be embarrassed by hallucinated cases and misquoted passages. Those who supervise the machine will do better work, faster. Contract work is the next frontier. AI can summarize a 60-page agreement in minutes, highlight unusual clauses, compare drafts, spot missing schedules, and flag compliance risks. For in-house counsel under pressure from fast deals, this triage is invaluable. It does not replace due diligence, it prioritizes it. On the drafting side, AI can produce clean starting templates, NDAs, service agreements, employment terms, aligned with your clause library and playbook. Senior lawyers then adjust commercial points, while juniors focus on analysis rather than retyping boilerplate. Over time, firms that build curated clause banks and feedback loops will compound these gains, delivering more consistent quality. Litigation support is similarly transformed. E-discovery once required rooms full of bankers' boxes. Now AI can cluster documents by theme, surface likely privilege issues, identify key custodians, and generate timelines from email threads and attachments. Transcription and translation tools convert courtroom audio into searchable text and bridge language gaps in multilingual matters. For criminal justice systems struggling with backlog, these capabilities can shorten the path from charge to trial. Yet speed without fairness is dangerous. Defense teams need equal access to tools, and courts must preserve adversarial balance by insisting on disclosure, audit trails, and the ability to cross-examine the analytics. Predictive analytics, models that estimate case outcomes, likely damages, or settlement ranges, will tempt insurers, banks, and even courts. Properly framed, these tools support strategy and resource allocation, but prediction is not adjudication. Historical data may encode discrimination, policing imbalances, or socioeconomic bias. Models trained on such data can reproduce those harms under a veneer of science. Sentencing and bail recommendations must therefore remain advisory, with written reasons when judges depart from or agree with them, and with regular independent audits to test for disparate impact across regions, genders, and communities. Access to justice is where AI can do the most moral good. Legal triage chatbots can guide citizens through small claims, tenancy disputes, consumer complaints, and fundamental family law, generating checklists, plain language explanations, and draft letters. In rural areas, voice interfaces and local language support reduce barriers for people who speak but are not literate in formal legal English or French. University law clinics and NGOs can deploy these assistants to scale outreach while keeping humans in the loop for sensitive matters. The rule is simple. AI may inform and prepare. Only licensed professionals advise and represent. Confidentiality and data protection must be foundational to every deployment. Client files, police evidence, and court records are not training data. Lawyers should avoid pasting privileged material into public AI tools, insist on enterprise solutions with encryption, access controls, and clear data use terms, and log every prompt and output for compliance. Procurement policies should require model cards, bias testing, uptime SLAs, jurisdictional data residency, and a right to audit. Bar associations can publish minimum standards and sample clauses for vendor contracts, while regulators can clarify how professional secrecy, evidence rules, and data protection statutes apply to AI workflows. Legal education must also evolve. Students should learn prompt discipline, verification habits, citation hygiene, and model limitations alongside jurisprudence and procedure. Coursework can include simulated research with deliberate traps, such as outdated cases and conflicting authorities, to build skeptical competence. Clinical programs can teach AI-enabled intake and document automation for community service. For practicing lawyers, CPD should cover AI risk, pricing innovation, and matter management so that firms can offer fixed-fee products with defensible margins rather than hourly chaos dressed as tradition. The judiciary's path is equally practical. Start with digitization and searchable records, then add transcription, scheduling optimization, and cause list analytics. Pilot judgment drafting assistants that propose structure and citations with strict human authorship and public disclosure of any machine assistance. Publish policies on algorithmic use, require parties to disclose AI assistance in filings where material, and set sanctions for misuse. Transparency will build trust, secrecy will breed suspicion. In short, AI is a force multiplier for whatever values we choose. If our bar is lazy, AI will mass-produce laziness. If our bench is principled, AI will sharpen principled decisions. The call to African legal professionals is to seize the tools with clean hands and clear eyes. Protect confidentiality, verify everything, document your process, and demand fairness by design. Please do so, and AI will help us deliver justice that is faster, more intelligible, and closer to the lives of the people we serve. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for listening.